Hi everyone, this is the last lecture on Unit 7. Today we're doing Lesson 7.5, Solving Quadratic Trigonometric Equations. We're going to go straight into Example 1 from your learning resources. We have sine squared x minus sine x equals to 2, and we're asked to solve for x. First, what we do is we minus 2 from both sides of the equation, so we can make the second side, the other side, 0. Well, the first part of the equation, a quadratic trigonometric equation. So trigonometric equation can also be solved like quadratic equation. Let me refresh your memory of what a quadratic equation is. A quadratic equation takes the form of f of x equals to a times x squared plus bx plus c, for a does not equal to 0. Quadratic equation can be rearranged to the following form. So f of x equals to a times in bracket x minus r1 times in bracket x minus r2. This is the factor form of a quadratic equation where r1 and r2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. So likewise, we can apply it to our trigonometric equation. So when we write it in factor form, we have sine x minus 2 times in bracket sine x plus 1 equals to 0. r1 equals to 2 and r2 equals to 1. So these are the roots. We have sine x equals to 2 or sine x equals to negative 1. Based on our previous experiences, we know that sine x cannot be equal to 2 because when you refer back to the graph of sine, the most amplitude it has is y equals to 1. Everything in the range has to be in between 1 and negative 1. Therefore, the value can never be 2. Thus, the equation of sine x equals negative x is the only solution in the interval of x is bigger or equal to 0 but less or equal to 2x. Now let's take a look at example 2 from the learning resources. We have 2 sine squared x minus 3 sine x plus 1 equals to 0. We're asked to solve for x. So in this question, it's already stated in quadratic form. So now we have to write it in factor form. We have in bracket 2 sine x minus 1 times in bracket sine x minus 1 equals to 0. Sine x can be 1 over 2 or sine x can be 1. Sine x of 1 over 2 has two solutions when x is in between 0 and 2 pi. The first solution is pi over 6. But when we look at the graph, there are two solutions, so the other solution is 5 pi over 6. For sine x is equal to 1, there's only one solution, and that's pi over 2. So all three of this will be the answer. And that's the end of this lecture. Thank you guys for watching. Best of luck on your unit test, and I'll see you guys